Hey everybody, welcome to the first day of spring. I hope you're able to get outside today and enjoy the beautiful first day of spring like I am. What comes with this time of year is my ability to start planting some cool weather crops out in my garden. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be sowing some seeds directly outside into my garden. So let's get started. The first seed we're going to sow is a radish, and these are French breakfast radish, and they are meant to be sown in early spring. Well, you can't get any earlier than the first day of spring, so that's what we're doing. I forgot to video as I was planting those seeds, but you can see my 2 rows that I did of the radishes. These seeds are buried at 1/2 inch. In this part of my garden, a lot of the rose bush leaves blow off and are captured here, and I let them mulch in. So I did a little raking just to get the area, all the leaves spread out in this area. And I am going to be planting the lettuce, all the lettuces and spinach, and then I'm going to be planting the sugar snap peas in this area. I'm starting with the sugar snap peas, and these are to be planted in early spring, about a month prior to your last frost date or your last average frost date. I'm just going to clear an area so I can see the soil and get the peas planted. Now these peas, because they are bigger, they are planted 1 inch deep. I am planting several of these seeds, and I am going to use a trellis. I'll put that up afterwards so that the peas can grow up on it. I just took an old tomato cage and I put some chicken wire around part of it, and that's to help it grow on and to actually keep the quails from eating my seeds, hopefully. Now I'm covering these seeds and adding some of this wonderful leaf mulch on top too. The final piece is the trellis. And of course the plant tag. And while I'm here, I will water this in really well. Again, as I've said in the past, make sure when you plant seeds outdoors or indoors for that matter, do not let your seeds dry out. Now, before I plant my spinach and my lettuce seeds, I'm just going to give this area a little bit of water. It's really dry, so I just want a little moisture here. I'm first going to sow my spinach seeds, and these are another one that are sown 1/2 inch deep. These germinate pretty quickly. The package says 8 to 10 days, and I've had a lot of luck with this. This is a Bloomsdale long-standing spinach. Next, I'm going to sow all of my lettuce seeds. The first one is a gourmet blend. Then I have a Merlot lettuce and a romaine lettuce, which is Paris Island Cos. I have talked about this before. This is my favorite romaine that I grow. It grows really, really well. And I have a few seeds of some old Butter Crunch lettuce, and we'll see if it works, but I am going to plant those too. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I put cloches over my greens where I plant seeds because we have quails who like to come in, and as soon as they see that little green seedling coming up, they pluck it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.